Hey y'all, Happy New Year! In today's video, I am redecorating my living room after Christmas and give it a little refresh. My kids joined in on taking down the Christmas ornaments, even though my youngest was so sad Christmas is over. My little dog Zeus was trying to figure out what we were doing as well. Once all of the Christmas was down, the room looked so bare and empty. I then did a little cleaning in between. There was a creeper hiding under my rug on the couch. I made this pink rustic vase in the fall and I just love how bright and cheerful it is, so I decided to add that into my decor. This is another vase I made in one of my fall videos. I added lavender to it to give our fireplace mantle a little pop of color as well. I got these natural wooden beads from Hobby Lobby and mixed those into my greenery on my fireplace mantle to give it more earth tones. I love when my house is filled with Christmas lights and decorations. It is so cozy and warm feeling, so I wanted to keep a level of cozy, but also a clean, simple vibe as well. So I mixed in whites, tans, and greenery into my decor. And of course, adding candles is a major comfort boost as well. I filled my built-in shelving with rustic wood photo transfers and a sign I made when I first started making signs back in 2018. I made the corner our tree was in into our dog's corner. We have two little Shih Tzus, so I set up their beds with all their favorite toys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I was able to give you some decor ideas for your own home for this new year. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.